Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In today's video, I'm merely doing a follow-up post because I've had some people ask me. It's funny because I've had people say, hey, sweet Zumo XT mount on your R1200 GS. You're also running it on your 701, but you never did a video about it. And you guys are right. I don't usually like doing videos on stuff that's more experimental because I just don't know how it's going to work. I want to give it some time to actually work out in reality before I tell you guys how great it is. And so this is RMS Rally Moto Shop out of, I think they're out of BC province in Canada. They make this awesome kind of universal handlebar clamp for the, well, they have a few different sizes, but it'll fit pretty much any handlebar clamp, handlebar size here. You just tighten it down. They give you like a 1/2-inch dowel here. You can see how I cut it with a Dremel. That's because they make it too long in case you have a much longer setup you want to mount some more stuff on, but you can then cut it or Dremel it to size once you've figured out your length. So you can see here when I'm sitting on the bike and looking down, you can see how I can see the computer right here. This blocks a little bit of the check engine light right there. There we go. It blocks some of those lights. I have to kind of dart left and right occasionally just to see what things, just in case things are lighting up like a fuel light or something. But this is intended to mount whatever you want to mount on it. So this is a dumb aluminum, very lightweight, comes in multiple parts. You've got these two arms here, these connecting bits down the bottom, and then you have your dowel on the rear that kind of connects straight through like that. The size is the exact same size as what you need for the your R1200 GS GPS mount, basically. So if you want to, you can mount your Garmin Zumo XT with the Touratech locking mount to this. And so what I've done in this case is I have ran the power line down here, straight down. It connects in right there, and then it goes straight into my my PDM 60 or whatever you have for your power module. So you can see here on the dowel, you can move it in and out. These are as tight as they'll go. Very rock solid, as you can see here. Whoops, it's not going anywhere. I've actually unlocked my Garmin, but you can see here, it's not going anywhere. It's completely bolted to the handlebars, and so you have this. Move that right off. The only issues I had with this setup is loss of power. And it turns out that the first batch of Garmin Zumo XTs came with a bracket and cable that just weren't deep enough for like a fully seated connection. And so in high vibration environments, such as a single cylinder 700cc bike, this would vibrate enough that it would lose power, and it would basically retrieve power, but it would be doing this on off thing over and over again. I told Garmin about it, and they said, oh yeah, we know about the issue. We're going to mail you a pad and a cable. They did. It came at like 4 months later because of COVID, obviously. And when it finally did arrive, I installed it, and I went on a 700-mile trip on this bike all across New Hampshire for 3 days. And when I came back, I had never once had a power failure. So obviously the fix works. So if you do have power issues with your Zumo, it's not you, it's them. So yeah, we got the locking mount here hooked up to the Rally Moto arm. And again, like I said, you can have a full view down of your computer, no problems. And it fits nicely behind the windscreen, which is the Puig windscreen that hooks to the 701 fairing. Short video. Thought you guys would like this though. Had some questions about it, and wanted to show you what that looks like for those of you that are interested. All you have to do is buy a power module, the Rally Moto Sport arm, a Zumo XT locking mount, and a Zumo XT, a Puig windscreen, and $1,100 later, you've got a great setup for not getting lost in the woods. Everything's so expensive these days. All right, thanks for watching.